Today I'll be showing you how to make a mushroom. We're going to use two colors only, red and white. First, I'm going to be smashing my soap dough so it's easier to work with. Then I will be creating the stem with the white. I'm going to flatten the bottom so the mushroom stands after I'm done. Now I'll be making the top of the mushroom with my red. We're going to make a cone-like shape with the red. Pointy at the top. Flat at the bottom. We're going to flatten the bottom with 2 fingers. Next step, I'll be applying a white circle at the bottom. Flatten it up so it goes throughout the whole cap. As usual, we're going to be applying a little bit of water so 2 parts would stick. Next up, I'll be adding some texture to the bottom of the cap with my tool. Next up, I'm adding a little bit of water so I can stick the cap to the stem. Last step, we're going to be adding dots on the cap. I'm going to be creating little balls first. Alright, I'm going to be applying water on the cap. I'm going to flatten the ball. Stick it on. Apply more water as needed. And that's our mushroom.